from Bangladesh. In my perspective, data analytics becomes truly powerful when it is combined with storytelling and strong business judgment. Basically, data on its own is just numbers, but storytelling turns those numbers into meaningful insights, something decision makers can actually understand, trust, and act on. In real business environments, stakeholders come from very different backgrounds. Not everyone understands technical analytics. That's where storytelling helps. It explains why the data matters, what happened, what problem it is solving, what action should be taken next. Analytics tells us what is happening and what might be happen. Storytelling explains the impact, the trade-off, and the business consequences. Together, they help leaders make informed, ethical, and practical decisions.